What's going on, guys? It's Matt with No BS Beard Reviews. It is great to be back. I've missed all of you. And so today we're talking about a company that, in my opinion, offers the best bang for your buck. Now, this company offers exceptional quality ingredients at very low prices. And that company is Broke Ass Beard Supply Company. And so Broke Ass Beard Supply Company is based out of Iowa. They were started up by an awesome guy by the name of Eric Gleason. Eric has been a member of this bearded community for a long time, commenting on my videos years back, buying different products, sharing those on Instagram, and he decided to start his own company. But he wanted to, offer exceptional ingredients at an awesome price. And so listen to some of the ingredients that are in his oils and balms. And so we've got marula oil, baobab oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, emu oil, and sweet almond oil, just to name a few. And so you're getting all those great, exceptional, high-end oils for a very low price. And so, as Eric likes to say, luxury ingredients at broke-ass prices, hence the name Broke Ass Beard Supply Company. And so let's jump in, let's talk about them. So we got some different oils here. A 1 ounce oil is gonna set you back $9. A 2 ounce beard balm sets you back $12. Those are exceptional, crazy values. And then a combo of both of these together, it's only $20. I can't recommend this company enough. This company goes down in 2019 as my best bang for your buck company. Absolutely recommend this to anybody on a budget looking to save money and get quality products. So Eric started off the company. He released, I don't know how many different scents, probably 20, 22 different scents. They were all Cologne inspired. And so I've been using these actually for a few months now. They all smell great. They're all based off of different colognes. They all smell good. This is scent number 20, which I forget the name of the cologne off the top of my head. But these are all great. I would definitely highly recommend you go to brokeassbeards.com. Again, that's brokeassbeards.com. You can check out all the different scent descriptions and what cologne they're emulating. They all smell spot on from the different colognes I've smelled in department stores to the different oils. But what I'm really excited about is Eric has recently come out with what he calls his And series. And the And series is 2 scents, so it's scent 1 and scent 2. But these are all custom made, exceptional scents. It's like Eric was in my brain when he designed all of these, because these are all scents that appeal to me. And when I got my hands on these, I was blown away, the quality and the scents. So let's jump in, let's talk about them. What I love about this company, again, you're saving money and you're getting, a very simplistic bottle, no problem with that. A great label here, but you'll notice on all the labels, he prints one label. We've got the different scents there, and then he kind of lets you know which scent is in that particular bottle. That is a great cost-cutting measure, great way to save some money. And so, first one up, we've got Turkish coffee and butterscotch cream. Now, I'll be honest with you, I'm not traditionally a coffee guy or, very much a food person, but I really like this Turkish coffee for some reason. I mean, it's just a very complex, dark, spicy coffee with a little bit of sweetness from that cream. It's almost not a coffee scent, but it's really nice. This is probably my favorite coffee scent. If I ever do like a top 5 coffee scent, this would be the number 1. And so that's the Turkish coffee and butterscotch cream. Next up, we've got smoked vanilla tonka bean. And so this one is you definitely get the vanilla. Vanilla kind of kicks you off, but it's a spicy vanilla. Think like an expensive, spicy vanilla. That's some of that tonka bean you're smelling as well. This is a very good, if you like vanilla, highly recommend this one. This, out of the 5, this might have been my least favorite, but still very good. Next up, we've got one of my favorites, Cuban cigar and 25-year whiskey. You can straight up smell the whiskey in this. It's not overly, you get the smokiness from the whiskey and a little bit from the cigar scent. You get a little sweetness from the whiskey as well. Oh man, it smells like a really nice scotch, to be honest with you. I mean, this reminds me of my younger days, sitting out on the porch, smoking a cigar, sipping a 2-finger deep scotch. Oh man, this is good. This is a good one of my favorites. All right, next up, we've got another really good one, and this is antique woods and vintage leather. And so with this one, you smell this and it's like a Chuck Norris kick of leather to your nose. Oh, I love it. But mixed in with that wood, it just really melds a nice smell. This is another one of my favorites. I really have been enjoying this one. That is the vintage woods, or antique woods and vintage leather. And the final one, I've been saving this one. I've been using the oil in this a bunch, but I've actually saved the balm because I wanted to show you a brand new fresh balm, never been used before, and show you what that looks like. I've been using the heck out of his other balms, a bunch of his Cologne stuff. I've got them spread out all over the counter here. But this one, I cannot wait to wear more, is Summer Peach and Rolled Tobacco. And this, right off the bat, this brings me to springtime, summer. I can't wait. I'm tired of this dreary cold weather. And take that with a grain of salt because I do live in the South and cold to us is like 50 degrees. The peach hits you. Imagine biting into a big juicy peach and the juices drip down your beard. That's exactly what this feels and smells like. You get a little bit of smoke from the tobacco, not a ton though. It's not overly tobacco. So if you're looking for a tobacco scent, I maybe wouldn't recommend this one. This is more of a fresh peach with a small hint of tobacco in my opinion. I really, really like this one. We're gonna put this one in beard tonight. I think that's all of them, right? Yeah, that is all of them. So let's go ahead and throw some of this in beard. Again, this has all those great oils I mentioned earlier, as well as fractionated coconut oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, aloe extract, marula oil, emu oil, baobab oil, vitamin E oil, as well as the fragrance. So get that up there. He was testing my eyesight as well. I think he may have me beat when we go over these balm ingredients. So let's throw some of this in beard. This is a perfect light to medium consistency oil. It's got a nice little golden color there. Nice dropper top. Man, that tobacco opens up a little bit more out of bottle, but you just get the freshness of that peach. Get it in beard. Oh, it's a light oil. It comes completely off your hands. The hands don't feel greasy at all, which I love. Go ahead and get this comb through. Eric has knocked it out of the park with this company. All right, let's also talk about their balm. And so Balm comes out in a 2-ounce container. It's got the same look and feel. It's got the different scents labeled on it and then the one you actually are getting there. Now, ingredients on the Balm, I want you to look and see how small those are. I'm gonna do my best here. So we've got fractionated coconut oil, sweet almond oil, shea butter, beeswax, mango nut butter, argan oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, aloe extract, marula oil, emu oil, baobab oil, vitamin E, as well as the fragrance. All right, again, luxury ingredients, broke ass prices. Love it. So I've been holding off on using this one so I could share this with you guys. We get the brand new tin there. Now, the hold on this, it's about a light to medium hold. You saw how easy that came out. This is one of those companies, again, though, that, super creamy. Look at that, zero grit whatsoever. Absolutely creamy. It's a good solid, I'd say it's on the medium side. Smells exactly like the oil. Gives the beard a little bit of shine, not too much. Don't ever waste your balm. Go ahead and comb that through. Man, this is a good one. Eric, you have knocked it out of the park. You guys, you might actually make it into my top 10 companies of 2019. I got this stuff towards the tail end of 2019, and I've been so impressed. You may make the top 10, which I'm going to release next week. Might wait till December 31st. I don't know. Keep you guys in suspense. We'll see. Look for that video to drop soon, though. Again, go check out my buddy Eric at brokeassbeards.com. Excellent products, amazing prices. You won't go wrong with any of the 5 scents I talked to you about, as well as any of his cologne-based scents. Those are also excellent as well. But as always, guys, please go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, I do appreciate it. And God bless you. We'll talk soon. Take care of yourselves.